Yes, my lord, the State Bank of India, they are recruiting people, my lord, from the various, my lord, hiring companies for some outsourcing purposes, my lord. Now, according to the informant, she was hired by the one company called Rand State, my lord, for the service of, my lord, various purpose of service, my lord. She was recruited. This is the page 21, my lord. She has been recruited by the Rand State. Then page 22, my lord. This is her term of 1 year contract term of employment with the Rand State, my lord. Then, my lord, page 24. As per the requirement, my lord, she was deputed in the SBI branch for a specific purpose of, my lord, credit card, my lord. This is page 24, my lord. SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited, my lord. She was not directly our employee, my lord. We have outsourced, my lord. Accordingly, she has been deployed in this, deputed in particular branch, my lord, for dealing with the cards, my lord. Later on, my lord, page 25, lordship can turn into. She has been charged for fraudulent activities, my lord, by the bank. And accordingly, the bank has informed our parent company, Rand State, with the various document, my lord, page 25 onwards. The first show cause letter. She has forged some signature, my lord, page 25. There is an allegation. Then again, my lord, page 26 also, 27 also, negligent in the work. These are all warning letter to the Rand State company by the SBI, my lord. Before, and the negligence of work, my lord, insubordination, absence in the work without authorization, my lord. These are all, my lord, based from page 30, unauthorized.
Now come to the FIR.
Yes, my lord. Then what happened, my lord? These are all allegations has been made. Now, she has made this FIR, my lord, against the bank manager who has made all these allegations, my lord. Lordship case, page 19.
Description of the bike is page 15, my lord.
Why you are apprehending it?
My lord, what happened, my lord, on 29/10, my lord? One, my lord, Shaharul Islam, my lord, took the bike to his shop for repairing, my lord. He repaired the bike only on the basis that the bike, he is a customer, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, after 2 days, my lord, on 31/10, the owner took the bike, and thereafter what had happened, the petitioner says no knowledge, my lord. Kindly see page, my lord, page, my lord, 23, the seizure list. Bike seizure from, my lord,
Bike was
recovered, my lord.
From his garage, Lord.
No, my lord. Kindly see. Page 23, my lord, is seizure list. Type copy, then page 24 is the, my lord, photocopy, my lord. Place and time of seizure, my lord. Garobada Investigation Center at 4:35 p.m. From 1, my lord, can we see third line, then I understand, then my lord said, Mukung Hazong, presence of the below witness, my lord. Mukung Hazong, from 1 Mukung Hazong, and Garobada and the petitioners, my lord, petitioners shop located at, my lord, Bhetbari Bazaar, under, my lord, Fulbari PS. Fulbari PS and Garobada, my lord, around 50 kilometers, my lord. Not from the, my lord, petitioner's position, my lord. Here, my lord, kindly see page 3, the learned court's finding, my lord, below. Page, my lord, 21 is the order, and 22 is the operating part, my lord. My lord, this is a wrong recording, my lord. For the incriminating materials against the petitioner, accused person, as the stolen vehicle in question was found in the garage belonging to the accused person. So, my lord, where the bike recovered from the, my lord, Garobada, some other PS case, my lord. Petitioner shop is, my lord, located in the, my lord, Rajabala outpost of my lord Fulbari PS. And my lord, till date, my lord, 41 in notice is yet to serve to the petitioner, my lord. Is a my lord, 379 section. So my lord, punishment is less than 7 years, my lord. So my lord, at least my lord, notice may be issued. I am ready to appear before the IO, my lord.
Yes, madam, and this finding of the session just in para number in page number
22. But
It's
that
not
says
consistent with the seizure list.
Caesar, it's not similar, it's contradiction. Lordship, in the original Caesar list, Lordship, that is in page 24.
Mm.
Page 24, my lord. Some Mokung Hazam. Recovered from one Mokung Hazam, my lord. Not from the petitioner. Petitioner is a my lord, Aminul Islam.
Mm.
Mutu Hazan maybe in the garage of the CDB there, Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
I am Islam.
Learned counsel for the applicant and also heard Ms. Begum, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with Krishna PS case number 127 of 2023 under section 379 IPC. This application under section 238 services prepared by Aminul Islam for grant of free estate. The above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one Anwar Hussain on 28/10/2023. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that on 19/10/2023 at about 4:30 p.m. his motorcycle, which was parked in front of a
Anwar
tea shop of Eno Ali of Riz Borbita, then some unknown person have stolen the bike. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant is no way involved with the offense alleged in the FIR, and he is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and that the stolen bike was recovered from the possession of one Mokung Hazong on 9/11/2023 at about 4:35 p.m. and the same was seized by the IO at Gorubanda Investigation Center, not from the garage belonging to the accused person, belonging to the applicant, as observed by learned session judge in bail order dated 2/1/2023 in Miss Criminal Case number 810 of 2023. And therefore, it is contended to allow the petition. On the other hand, Ms. Begum, learned additional PP submits that and does this on the case that may be called for. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, it is provided that case there be called for fixing the matter on
27 March.
27. In the interim, considering the submission of learned advocates of both sides, and also considering the facts and circumstances on the record, especially the fact that the bike was recovered and seized from the possession of one Mokung Hazong, this court is inclined to extend interim protection to the applicant till receipt of the case. Accordingly, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the applicant in connection with Krishna PS case number showing under section showing so he shall be released on interim period as bail on his executing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one surety of like amount with the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The above privilege is however subject to the following three conditions. Last condition, he shall not leave the jurisdiction of CDM Gwalpara without prior permission.
Item 5, highly obliged, Your Lordship.
What is in this case, what happened? One Kailash Malakar, my lord, OC of Dobuka PS is continuously calling the petitioner to come to the PS. But when the petitioner wanted to know about the case, my lord, he just told that there is a case registered against him on money lending case, but he is not giving the case number any details, my lord. I have stated everything in paragraph 2 of my petition, my lord. That is case 2.
Heard Mr. B. Sanda, learned counsel for the applicant. And also heard Miss Begum, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Pending arrest in connection with any case pending against the applicant, namely Ziaur Rahman, in the Dobuka police station. This application under section 438 services preferred by him for grant of the privilege of real estate. Mr. Sanda submits that the applicant was called by the officer in search Dobuka PS to the police station in connection with any case, but he has not been furnished with the number of the case. In view of the submission of learned counsel for the applicant and also considering the facts and circumstances on the record, it is provided that the learned additional PP shall obtain a report from the officer in search Dobuka PS as to whether the present applicant is required in connection with any FIR registered with the said PS. List the matter on
6 March,
sorted.
4th March, my lord, and 1st March,
First month.
my lord. Item 6.
This is a 438 application, my lord. Page 11 is the translated type copy, my lord. And page 19 is the vernacular, my lord. There are 5 petitioners before your lordship, my lord. May I read, my lord? Six persons are named in the FIR. Allegation is primarily against Vishal Dagamel. We are relatives of Vishal Dagamel. Petitioner number 1 is the brother Melo, pursuing his become studies. Number 2
So
is
the amount of money misappropriated by you is more than
well, they are relatives, my lord.
brother. Crores. Let the city come.
42406.
CD on.
Well, kindly similar. Number 1 is a BCom student.
Pardon?
Number 1, petitioner number 1, she is a student pursuing his studies at Guwahati, madam. And number 2 is a medical student pursuing her MBBS study at Guwahati Medical College Hospital. She is the mother of the Vishal Dagamelo. And 4 and 5, they are the maternal uncles of Vishal Dagamelo. And
Let the city come, we will consider
kindly
it.
protect them, my lord. 42406, my lord. Primarily, my lord, kindly say.
Maybe, but the amount misappropriated is very high.
Well, that is true, my lord, but he is residing separately, not with us.
We will see your room. Yes, sorted.
29.
29.
Can 1 and 2 be protected?
Pardon?
can 1 and 2 be protected, my lord?
After perusing the case area.
29-3, my lord.
Hmm.
29
No. 29-2.
2. Problem.
Item 7.
Four thirty application and a translated copy of the affair is at page 11, Lordship. The allegation in the affair is the Lordship, the informant and his four family members were, their allegation, Lordship, is kidnapped by the this petitioner and kept in the house of the Lordship petitioner number 1. For 2 days, they have to release other person and kept the informant for 1 month and 26 days and release.
Where is the affair?
Page number 11.
Page
Lordship.
11, Lordship. Translated copy. And the vernacular, Lordship, will find at page 14. And after release, Lordship, 5th of January, Lordship, this affair has been lost after 35 days, Lordship, 9th of February. My submission is the Lordship, the allegation made in the affairs are all baseless and concocted story, Lordship. But there is some problem because the informant wants to sell this land, Lordship.
Let the city come.
Lordship, kindly protect, Lordship.
CD on sorted.
On pass mark. Item 8.
Objection.
May it please your lordship. 438 application lordship, FIR lordship at page number 21. The petitioner before your lordship is the owner of the cows lordship. Page number 21.
Page number?
21 is the FIR lordship.
The present applicant is the
Is the owner of the cow lordship.
owner of the cow.
Owner of the cow lordship, and he preferred one Zimma petition lordship, and his
Hmm.
Zimma petition was also allowed lordship. Now lordship,
Madam, you produce the case area.
Lordship.
Sorted.
1st of March. Lordship.
yesterday,
First of March.
lordship, yesterday one PA was moved lordship.
What?
Case bail application was moved lordship, and lordship case diary was here. Lordship, perhaps case diary may be here.
Maybe here.
Yes, lordship.
Madam, you confirm it. If it is available, produce it in the second half
Yes.
today.
See, there is lot of case, Lordship, then we will do on Monday, Lordship. It is AB, Lordship.
No, that's all right. If the case area is available in the office, then we can consider the
Yes,
petition
lordship.
and finally dispose it of at 2 p.m.
Yes, lordship. Highly.
Item 9.
May I please your lordship?
Hmm.
My lord, 438 application, my lord.
Hmm.
FIR is the page number 13, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, this FIR was lodged by one Sujit Das, my lord, on 29 December 2022, page 13, my lord, 13, my lord. On 29 December 2022, before the Rongya police station, my lord, the informant Sanjit Das, my lord, he was working as a senior manager of Bandhan Bank. My lord, we find a next page, my lord, page 14. My lord, there is a table, my lord, of 8 persons. These 8 persons, my lord, has obtained loan from Bandhan Bank, my lord, from my lord, by citing the full document, my lord, including fake Aadhaar card, PAN card, and income documents, my lord. The present petitioner name is not there, my lord. Now, my lord, kindly peruse the para 5 of this FIR, my lord, that it has been observed that in multiple cases, the loan proceeds obtained using the forged documents were getting transferred to the below mentioned third-party accounts. Aurobindo Deka, Himanshi Malakar, and Moon Malakar. The present petitioner before your lordship, Aurobindo Deka, my lord. My lord, here the serial number 1, Mainul Ali, in the table, my lord, and the serial number 5, Tabibur Rahman. These 2 persons has taken some personal loan from this petitioner, my lord, Aurobindo Deka. As my lord, the petitioner runs and registered society, my lord. And my lord, this, the serial number 1 and serial number 5, this FIR named accused person has returned the amount to the petitioner bank account, my lord. And therefore, my lord,
So, these allegations are very serious, we will see.
my lord,
What was your role?
my lord,
How the misappropriated amount came to be
my
deposited
lord,
in your
my lord,
account?
I am submitting, my lord.
Hmm.
The petitioner was served with a notice, my lord, under
Hmm.
section 41A, my lord.
Hmm.
Kindly peruse, my lord.
Hmm.
Annexed to page 17, my lord.
Hmm.
This notice was issued on 28 December 2023,
Hmm.
and I was directed to appear before the investigating officer on 10/1/2024. My
Hmm.
lord, kindly see the register section, my lord. 419 is available, my lord. 420, 468. These sections are not at all applicable to the present petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
Because, my lord, the present petitioner has not obtained any loan by submitting any forged document, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, the petitioner was
We'll
directed.
see, 120B is there.
My lord, I'm submitting,
Yes.
my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, kindly allow me to submit, my lord, this
Hmm.
present petitioner, my lord. Though he was directed to appear, my lord, before the investigating officer,
Hmm.
I have annexed some documents, my lord, kindly peruse, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 28, my lord.
Page number?
Page 28, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the present petitioner, he was made with an accident, my lord. On 23rd/12/2023, my lord, admission date, my lord, and he was under admission, my lord, and he was released, my lord, discharged, my lord, on 28/12/2023, my lord. Then, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, again on page 31, my lord, page 31. He was in surgery, my lord, and surgery was done, my lord, in his hand, my lord. I have annexed all the documents, my lord. Page 31, he again, my lord, visited hospital, my lord, on 4/1/2024. And he was again my lord, asked to visit, my lord, on 9/1/2024. Accordingly, my lord, on last date, my lord, on 16/2, my lord. Last page number 33, my lord. 16/2/2024, my lord. He visited, my lord, hospital, my lord. Now, hereafter, my lord, the petitioner applied the certified copies of this present FIR, my lord. And though he was not appeared before the, my lord, investigating officer, as he was directed to appear, my lord. And I have annexed all my bank statement, my lord, by which that serial number 1 accused person and serial number 5, they have transferred in my account. I have annexed this bank statement, my lord. Kindly peruse, my lord. Page 19, my lord, annexed 4, my lord. Page 19, annexure 4, my lord. My lord will find a serial number 15. Serial number 15, my lord. On 10/1/2022. 10/1/2022, my lord. Moinul Ali, the accused person, serial number 1. He has transferred this amount in my bank account, my lord. And my lord, kindly peruse page number 23, my lord. Page 23, my lord. My lord, on 8th of March, my lord. 8th of March, this Tabibur Omar, that is the accused person named in the serial number 5, he has transferred this amount to my account, my lord. Both this person has taken some loan because these two persons, my lord, we are from the same locality under the Nalbari jurisdiction police station, my lord. So these two persons has taken some loan. I have also annexed my registered certificate, my lord, annexer 3, page number 18, my lord, in my name, my lord, cooperative society, my lord. So and so under the naming style, Mahabali Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society with Sri Aurobindo Deka as a chairperson. So my humble submission before this honorable court, my lord, as I have annexed all the bank statement that serial number, accused number 1 and 5, they have transferred the amount. They have taken some loan. My lord, I only submit before this honorable court, my lord. I will appear before the investigating officer as I was directed to appear on 10/1. Because of my health issues, my lord, I could not appear, my lord. I will appear before the investigating officer, my lord, and I will submit this statement and I will record my statement, my lord. Kindly protect me, my lord. I am directed to appear
No.
before the
CD on 1st of March.
53, highly obliged.
But this is a transfer petition, Lordship, for transfer of complaint case from Udalguri to either Mangoldoi or Kamruk. Now, what has happened, Lordship? The petitioner before Lordship, he is an accused in a complaint case lodged by the respondent number 2 under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. Till date, Lordship, phone number of witnesses have been examined, the complainant evidence, phone number of witnesses have been examined. And Lordship, from some time now, Lordship, the petitioner has been receiving regular threatening by the respondent number 2. He's a local resident of Udalguri district, Lordship. And whenever I went to the court premises, Lordship, he has been threatening me. And on 3/2/2024, Lordship, things went out of control. I was threatened inside the court campus. That Lordship will find at Annexure 3.
Of the NDPS Act. After 31A, the schedule is given. Lordship would see
Serial number?
serial number 4. For Roman 4 is codeine.
Serial number 4.
4. Lordship, this is my. After 31A. Lordship, below that, Lordship would see any compound neutral to that. It contains, the mixture would be a substance also, but if it is reactive to,
No, this is not schedule. This is on table.
yes.
You
In
do
the
not know the
Lordship,
difference
Lordship,
between
I
table
show
and
the-
schedule.
No, Lordship, I will show that also. This is the table. I have brought the table also. At serial number 239. I have brought the table also, Lordship. Kindly find the table. Schedule. At serial number 27. 28, Lordship. Lordship would find codeine. Thereafter, at the last, Lordship, serial number 239. Any mixture, Lordship gets it. Any mixture or preparation that with or without a natural material of any of the above drug.
Hmm.
Therefore, from reading of the two codeine, phosphate and tripolidine is not a banned substance. Lordship. Whatever may be the report of the FSL.
The FSL report we have not received, Lordship. It is pending for the
It is
FSL report.
reactive to codeine and it is not a natural material. Water is a natural material. Anything which is a positive ions is natural materials.
Hmm.
Therefore, the accused has already spent 109 days in custody.
So, what is your contention? I could not follow.
Lordship, now Lordship would see
So
the
this
FIR.
any mixture or preparation of that with or without a natural material or any of the above drugs.
Yes, Lordship. Now, if codeine is mixed with a reactive material,
Hmm.
then it not be a form a part of this schedule or the act. If it is mixed with a natural material, suppose as water,
Hmm.
then it will form a part. Or anything which is neutral to codeine. Any substance other than water which is neutral to codeine would form a part of the schedule.
Hmm.
The main intention of the framers is that it should not be reactive to codeine to form a different drug.
Hmm.
Therefore, Lordship would see, I have also brought the drug FSL drug and some sample test.
No, here what is the material allegedly seized?
Yes, Lordship, I will show the FIR at page 11.
Hmm.
FIR at page 11, Lordship would
Hmm.
see.
Hmm.
Yes. Lordship, at the middle, on search behind his house by digging a lane, one color bag of plastic was found, which was kept hidden at the back side of his house near the bathroom. The plastic bag was extracted, digging the lane in presence of local witness. Inside the bag, we find 12 bottles,
Hmm.
100 ml each of tripolydine hydrochloride codeine phosphate.
Hmm.
Codeine and phosphorus
Hmm.
is a neutral material. It is not reactive.
Hmm.
But codeine and tripolydine is a reactive material.
Hmm.
Therefore, codeine and phosphate are mixed together in a bottle.
Hmm.
And the codeine phosphate is used for cough purposes. But codeine tripolydine is used for fever and other things.
Hmm.
Therefore, the medicines are also different.
Hmm.
Therefore, codeine, phosphate, tripolydine, hydrochloride is not a banned substance.
Okay, let the FSL report come. We will consider your submission.
Lordship will
Yes,
give a
Purva,
short
what
date.
to do?
So, my lord, first,
Should I implement the director FSL in this proceeding as respondent and we will issue notice?
my lord, let it become after, last time maybe given, Lordship. Actually, my lord, we have contacted today, Lordship, in this case, my lord. Whether they have received the FSL report or not.
Hmm.
They have said, Lordship, today morning that they have not
No,
received the
that
FSL.
way, this is not the way, no, Purva.
My lord, question is there, my lord.
So
that-
you see, the question of liberty of the individual is involved here in these proceedings.
That is there, Lordship, but the state has already given, Lordship, 180 days for the investigation, Lordship.
That's all right,
Yes.
but if the forensic report comes with that it is not a contraband substance, then will you compensate him?
Prima facie, it is not.
The question is that, Lordship, the codeine phosphate is there, Lordship. Now, Lordship, whether his possession is lawful or unlawful, that has to be also has to be seen, Lordship. Let the FSL report come, Lordship.
No, you on your behalf will be able to produce the report, or we will issue notice to the FSL report, FSL or director FSL by impleading him as a respondent in this proceeding. You tell me.
One chance may be given, Lordship, if not, they have not produced, Lordship. Lordship may do much.
Mr. RJ Vadua, learned additional PP submits that he has not received the FSL report and prays for granting him some more time. It appears that as many as 4 opportunities were given to Mr. Borua to produce the FSL report before this court. However, considering the submission of Mr. Borua, another opportunity is given him to produce the FSL report before this court. If he failed to produce the FSL report before this court on next date, the court will consider to implead the Director FSL as respondent number 2 here in this proceeding and will issue notice and will consider issuing notice to him.
So March, Lordship, earlier 6 months, 6 months. So March,
Item number 17.
6 of March. 6 of March.
Lordship, CD may be retained, Lordship.
Till then CD be retained.
17.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So in this case, charge sheet has been filed, Your Lordship, under POCSO Act, section 8 and 12, Your Lordship.
Mm.
So the record come here, Your Lordship, the 2 witnesses were examined. The vital witness, that is the informant and as well as the victim. So
Have you enclosed their statements here?
it is with me, Your Lordship, certified copy I have obtained, Your Lordship.
Where?
Wait. If Your Lordship go through the statement of PW1 and PW2, that is the informant and the victim.
PW2 is the victim.
Victim. PW1 is the informant. Your
Or
Lordship.
whether she has implicated the accused.
Yes. Implicated, but that there is a contradictory statement, Your Lordship.
That contradiction, this court is not supposed to appreciate at this stage. That is the business of the trial court.
In this case, Your Lordship, the FIR was filed on 18. They are saying that accused was arrested on 16. And cause of action arose on 15. Totally concocted case, Your Lordship.
What basis you are submitting it?
In this case, if Your Lordship see
Mm,
the PW1,
mm,
Your Lordship,
mm,
the victim got bleeding injuries. There is no injuries because
mm.
there is no such section. And in the charge sheet also that is not there. The
Mm.
accused also hit me with bamboo on my back. I informed the incident to my mother-in-law, but she didn't do anything.
Mm.
Then with the advice of my family members, I rang 181 women helpline number, Sakhi, and they sent police to my residence at 3 a.m. That is the cause of action arose on 15th, and that means police arrived on 16th.
Mm.
But the SR was filed on 18, and person was arrested on 19.
See, this case has been registered under section 354B and section 8 of the POCSO Act.
Yes.
Whether the mother of the victim sustained injury or not, that is not the
That is not the thing, but
Yes.
here, Your Lordship, the cause of action arose on 15, the accident
Yes.
took place on 15, but the FIR was lodged on 18. And
That's
they
all right.
they are
There may be
saying,
delay, but
no, they are saying that police come on 16.
mm,
So is it possible? Then if Your Lordship see the statement of the victim,
mm,
then you will get another. Thereafter, the police arrived at our home at 5:30 a.m. on 16.
mm,
Then the police took away the accused person. That
Mm.
means the accused was arrested on 16 as per her statement.
mm,
But actually he was arrested on 19.
maybe.
So this is
Police has
totally
taken him
concocted, Your Lordship.
to the police station and arrested him next that.
No, Your Lordship. That
Hmm?
as per their statement, if Your Lordship see the timing also,
Mm,
the informant is saying 3 p.m.
mm,
Here victim is saying 5:30 a.m.
Mm,
What is this?
mm,
Totally concocted. And if your lordship go through the 164 statement
mm,
and the statement of 161, never tell you here.
mm.
Contradictory statement, your lordship. So after thought that has been filed, what happened, the informant is this informant is have second marriage, second husband, the accused person is the second husband.
Mm,
She left the first husband under, and she again remarries with this accused persons.
mm,
And here, your lordship, where the incident took place, that is not clear. Someone says it is in the hotel, Dhaba,
mm.
and one says it is in their house. So everything is contradictory, your lordship. It is just a making case.
The question is why the wife will lodge a false case against against her husband?
That is the main question, your lordship. So we have
Why?
stated in our statement that she desired to get some properties in her name. And there is a case between these two persons, husband and wife.
Mm,
And because of that, she made this planning. And as for the planning, that has been filed.
So
your lordship.
whether any material is brought on record during examination of PW1?
And there is another contradiction, your lordship. There is another
So
contradiction.
in her
The-
cross-examination, whether you put any question to her,
Yes, your lordship.
where?
The cross-examination.
Intermediate, my lord.
Mm.
Here, my lord, FSL.
What is the stage of
My
investigation?
lord, FSL is yet to be collected. My
Remaining part of investigation
lord.
complete.
Completed, my lord. Here, I pray for some time to collect the FSL, my lord. Only 32 days is here, my lord.
Maybe if the investigation is completed, then what purpose will be served?
My lord. Investigation.
Hmm.
FSL is yet to be collected, my lord.
You collect the FSL and submit search it. Heard, Mr. Learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Mr. D. Sharma, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 439 services preferred by accused Rakesh Das, who has been languishing in jail as in connection with Guwahati GRPS case number 22 of 2024 under section 20B, Roman 2, capital B NDPS Act since 21/1/2024 for grant of bail. Just to be noted here that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by WASI Pranamika Burman of GRP Pando on 21/1/2024. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that the informant, on checking the train number 15636 down Deoghar Weekly Express at platform number 3 of Guwahati Railway Station, at around 9:40 AM, apprehended the accused in course number B2 and on checking the baggage she found 7 packets of brown colored plastic containing suspected cannabis within bracket ganja and seized the same in presence of witnesses. And during interrogation, he disclosed that he brought the same from Dharmanagar, Tripura. Mr. Thakur submits that the accused was arrested on 21/1/2024 and languishing in jail ever since then for last 32 days. And that is ready to face trial and also ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and therefore it is contended to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP, submits that he has received a case ID and material part of the investigation is almost over and the case is pending for collection of FSL report only.
Sufficient material is there.
Mr. Sharma submits that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials against the accused and therefore Mr. Sharma opposed the petition. But having heard the submission of learned advocates on both sides, I have gone to the petition and the documents placed on record and also produced the case daily with the assistance of Mr. Sharma, learned additional PP. But indisputably, the accused is languishing in jail for last 32 days. Case diary indicates that though the IO has collected some materials against the accused, yet material part of investigation is almost over and the case is pending for collection of FSL report only. In that view of the matter, further custodial detention of the accused seems to be not warranted here in this case, and therefore this court is inclined to allow this petition. It is provided that on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one surety of like amount, two surety of like amount, one of which should be a government servant, the accused be enlarged on bail to the satisfaction of the learned special judge NDPS Act, Kamrup. Case there will be returned. The accused is from Tripura.
23.
Perhaps CD is not available, but on the last day, Lordship was inclined to dispose of the matter even if CD is not available.
My lord, meta.
Are you on interim?
Lordship, I'm on.
My lord, meta may be.
We are on interim, Lordship.
My lord, meta may be taken at 2, my lord.
Okay.
Item 25.
I am on interim bail. After passing interim bail, I had appeared on 3 occasions, but not recorded a statement.
My lord, this matter also may be taken up at 2, my lord. My colleague has gone through the case very much.
So, may fix on Monday,
No.
Pardon?
on Monday.
2 PM today.
My lord, he is in another court, my lord, he will come back.
Okay, 2 PM at.
I have also another case in another.
Pardon?
Only may fix on Monday.
No. Monday we have a lot of cases. We will not take up this case on that day again.
Tenancy agreement that your lordship will find from page 23 onwards, lordship. And the pistol was recovered from the Tin Chali house, your honor, from the roof of the Tin Chali. So my humble submission that cannot be treated as a conscious knowledge, lordship, because the FIR does not disclose that it was recovered from the room of the petitioner, lordship, because the rooms were let out. That your lordship will find the FIR at page 60. May I read?
Hmm.
That will.
A print out then. I think print out.
So there are two parts in the FIR.
Yes.
So for the first part is concerned, 6 numbers of .22 ammunition were recovered from one of the room of the house of the accused. So for the second part is concerned, 1.22 pistol with magazine was recovered from the rooftop. Roof set of the room of the house of the accused.
Those
Pavitra
rooms
Bora.
are let out lordship. I have placed before your lordship the tenancy agreement lordship. And so it cannot be treated as a conscious position when the
Even if it is recovered from a room of your house.
But I am not in actual physical position, only constructive position was as a landlord, lordship. It was let out to tenants lordship. That has not been, nothing has been specified in the FIR from which, whether room was let out or not, or which of the room, out of 13 numbers or which of the room, from which of the room the arms was recovered. I have submitted a Supreme Court judgment lordship that para 6, 5 and 6 are relevant lordship regarding conscious position. Paras 5 and 6.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, you received the case diary?
Yeah, yes, my lord. From the seizure, my lord, that is, said, my lord, from the premises, and my lord, two seizure witnesses also there. They said, my lord, that পুলিশে তালাশি করার পবিত্র বড় থকা রুম এটার পরা
Scissorless.
my lord, seizure witness.
কি উদ্ধার করে?
My lord, 6 numbers of my lord.
.22 ammunition.
Yes, my lord. Yes. The রঙা বগা
And this
mediate অবস্থা.
the pistol
Regarding pistol, my lord, no, not mentioned, my lord.
from
In the FIR, it is clearly mentioned.
from
My lord, regarding pistol, my lord, there is no mention. But in the seizure, in the seizure, my lord, there are in the seizure, my lord, it is mentioned that ammunition and one pistol. 6 numbers of 22 ammunition and reddish white piece of it is piece, and then my lord, 2 seizure. One is my lord pistol.
Surprising if it is not mentioned in the.
And my lord, here also, my lord, there are four witnesses, Caesar witnesses. But their statement, my lord. Yes.
So how this judgment will help you?
Lordship, if the
Here, Supreme Court stated that it cannot be said to have been in constructive possession of the appellant is dependent on the evidence to be adduced at his trial. So at this stage, how this judgment will help you?
Lordship, please to consider that the plenty, in the Caesar list, nothing is mentioned and submitted my learned friend. From where the,
No, the FIR is clear.
FIR from the roof, কোনবা মোৰ ঘৰৰ টিনা ওপৰত কিবা থৈ যায় তো তাৰ কাৰণে
No. There are two parts in the FIR.
2 parts are there. 6 numbers of bullets were recovered from a colored bag, small bag, your lordship, from one of the rooms. Which room? In FIR does not say that from the room, residential room of the prisoner.
Mr. Sharma, may I see the case that
My lord,
heard Mr. S.P. Roy, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with Tongla PS case number 5 of 2024 under section 25(1)B within bracket A of the Arms Act. This application under section 438 service is preferred by applicant Pavitra Boro for grant of PRS bail. The above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by SI Hirokjyoti Pegu on 6/1/2024. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that acting on a tip of they have conducted the informant along with his staff conducted search in the house of the accused Pavitra Boro and recovered .22 ammunition, 6 numbers of .22 ammunition from one of the room of his house and seized the same in presence of witnesses. And later on, acting on a tip of they have also conducted search in the house premises of the accused and recovered one .22 pistol with magazine, US made, from the tin of the roof set of the room of the house of the accused and seized the same in presence of witnesses. Mr. Roy, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that the applicant is innocent and no way involved with the offense alleged in the FIR, and that the arms and ammunition were recovered from one of the house of the accused, which was let out to some other tenants, and that the applicant is ready to cooperate with the investigating agency, and as the arms and ammunition were not recovered from the conscious possession of the accused, Mr. Roy contended to extend the privilege of PRS bail to the applicant. In support of his submission, Mr. Roy also referred to a decision of Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Kunwan Lal versus State of Madhya Pradesh, reported in 1972 to SSA 194. On the other hand, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP, has produced the case there before this court and submits that the IO has collected sufficient materials in support of the allegation made in the FIR. Referring to the Caesar list prepared by the IO, Mr. Sharma submits that the IO has recovered 6 numbers of .22 ammunition from one of the room of the house of the accused, and the .22 pistol was recovered from the rooftop
Next page.
of the house of the accused. And therefore it is contended that the petition may be dismissed as investigation is going. On the other hand, having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have gone to the petition and the documents placed on record, and also perused the case diary with the assistance of Mr. Sharma, learned additional PP, and also gone through the decision of Supreme Court in Gunwant Lal, within brackets Supra. It is to be noted here that in the aforementioned case, Honorable Supreme Court that the issue of constructive possession is dependent on the evidence to be adduced at the time of trial. But case diary indicates that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials against the applicant. The seizure list and the statement of the witnesses indicates recovery of the 6 numbers of .22 ammunition from the room of the house of the accused, and 1 pistol, .22 pistol from the rooftop of the house of the accused.
One statement is here, my lord, the one of the person, my lord, who worked in his house, my lord. The 164 statement that kindly make it.
The last line to Hmm. Further, it appears that investigation is still going on. Having considered the materials collected so far in the case diary and also having considered the stage of investigation, this court is of the view that this is not a fit case where the privilege of previous bail can be granted to the applicant. Accordingly, the petition is dismissed, case diary will be returned.
Item 41.
Lordship, the other day, your lordship, directly verify whether respondent number 2 has been served or not. But it appears from the office note that address is not found. Now, also we have given the address which has been inserted by her in her FIR. So it means that she is a flying woman.
So notice is not required to be served upon her.
That may not take it. The lordship will consider because we have
Oh,
not
it-
given any other address.
You obtained the correct address?
Correct address. Because it was filed before police and police has also registered the case. As per FIR's address, we have given the notice. And the matter is regarding half bigger of the cash land matter, where I am occupying and she wanted to occupy that with the help of her.
So, as per direction of this court, the registry has obtained the postal consignment tracking report. And the report indicates that the item has been delivered. You have not gone through the record.
Delivered to the sender. What?
It is reported delivered to the sender. Address is Jagat Pasik's. He has got an address. The sender has. It has come.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, this case diary is available.
Is that my lord, it is searched.
Sourceated matter.
Right.
Whether the record was called for or not,
Record, my lord, may not call,
not called for.
not call for. My lord, record may be called for because its service is complete.
So, Mr. Mahmood, it is a sourceated case.
I have no information. That's
Searched.
how I have heard.
Sourceated.
Searched number 2, my lord, dated 31/1/24.
The lordship may kindly call for the scan copy. Let this honorable court justify whether there is.
Heard Mr. M. Mahmood, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Office note dated 21/1/2024 indicates that unserved notice returned to the registry with a remark postal addressee not found. Office note dated 21/2/2024 also indicates that the registry has tagged with the record one postal consignment tracking report, which indicates that the item was delivered on 19/2/2024 to the addressee. So, on how many occasions you have taken a step on 2 occasions?
Only one occasion I have taken.
1 occasion.
Yes. That is on 9/2/24.
No, this report is not delivered to the addressee. It was delivered to the sender
Center means we are the registry.
Yes, yes,
Registry,
registry,
yeah.
registry.
So,
Hmm. In view of above, it is provided that Mr. Mahmood shall take fresh step upon the respondent number 2 by obtaining her correct address. Within a period of 2 days from today, 1 week from today, returnable on
15 March.
15 March. Mr. B. Sharma learned additional PP submits that he has not received the case diary, but as per his instruction, the IO has completed investigation and submitted search sheet, being search sheet number 2 of 2024 dated 31/1/2024. In view of above, it is provided that registry shall call for the scanned copy of the record along with the case diary from the learned court below, fixing the matter on
15 March.
and it might be little upgraded, even the old one 72 years, little upgradation, if possible.
On 11th March.
But in that case, the notice has to be served.
It remains as earlier.
Okay. Step upon the respondent number to be taken by, also be taken by, taken through the officer in charge jurisdiction on PS.
All right.
Item 42. Partnered meeting.
Thank you, Your Lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Jet Kamal. He is some difficulty today, Lordship. Kindly adjourn for the day, Lordship.
The matter related to cancellation of bail, man.
Hmm.
Lordship had the matter long back,
Hmm.
but it was not listed there after.
Okay, you suggested it.
Lordship, the second week of March, Lordship.
March, last week. Last week of March.
Second week of March.
As prayed for by Miss
Gusa.
Learned Counsel for the opposite party. Registry shall list the matter on
21st March.
21st March.
43.
In this case, my lord, we have taken a step for respondent number 2, my lord, but as per office note, my lord, it is remain unserved, my lord.
JLP Lordship, JLP Lordship.
Hmm. But even the notice has to be served.
Lordship.
Office note dated 5/2/2024 indicates that neither AD card nor unserved notice returned to the registry till date. You are appointed here as amicus legal aid counsel. Accordingly, it is provided that registry shall take fresh step upon respondent number 2 by registered post and also by usual process,
My lord, through the officer in charge of.
and also through the officer in charge jurisdictional PS. List the matter on
22nd March.
22nd March.
44.
The matter regarding appeal against a judgment, Lordship.
Hmm.
Partnership section is 302 and conviction is 10 years. But Lordship, IPC Lordship, conviction is maybe death sentence or life imprisonment. How it is 10, so last order, it is also erroneous declared Lordship. Last order of our High Court.
Pardon?
Erroneous judgment, Lordship.
Which one?
4124, Lordship.
Acha. No, is it listed for hearing today? Okay. This report has. Or daily.
Respondent 3.
Hmm. দুইটা একেলগে কৰিছে। Raslana. Raslana. So do you have any idea who is this Raslana Begum who received notice on behalf of respondent number 20?
They received lordship.
Pardon?
They received lordship.
Ah,
ID card is also returned.
pardon?
ID card is returned.
Return, but one lady has received the notice.
Actually, the informer is already died. His wife and daughter has received.
Wife and daughter.
No, I also made party them.
No, who is Raslana Begum?
Suna Begum is the daughter of informal.
Daughter of informant.
Yes.
So whether LCR was called for?
The question is that the matter may be remand back. Question is erroneous judge lordship.
302 is the lordship. Conviction has been given under section 302 lordship.
So
And it is
without
10 years.
going to the record, can we set aside the judgment?
And retire.
Pardon?
Remand back and rest
No,
time.
no, we have to examine the record because conviction is recorded under section 302.
The lordship may
Judgment is also there. Page 41
the lordship may kindly call for a LC lordship.
Yes?
41 lordship. 40 and 11 page 41 lordship. Considering the entire fact and circumstance that the convicted accused person are hereby sentenced to suffer
Okay, office note dated 28/2/2024 indicates that notice issued to the respondent number 2 returned with a report that one Raslana Begum has received a notice on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3. Mr. Your good name?
H. Alamgir.
A?
H. Alamgir.
H. Alamgir, learned counsel for the appellant submits that Raslana Begum is the daughter of the informant. Daughter of the informant. Then yes. The notices issued to the respondent number 2 and 3 were received by the daughter of the informant. It can be presumed that notice has been served upon respondent number 2 and 3 property. But nobody entered appearance on their behalf today. In view of above raised, no, it is provided that one legal aid counsel. Sangita Khatunia. Yes, do you know Sangita Khatunia?
Khatunia.
Yes.
Sangita Khatunia.
Is she regular?
এগুলো হয়নি?
Sometime. Monitas, very much. Purnima Borua Bordole. PB Bordole. PB Bordole. Purnima Borua Bordole.
Ms. Purnima Barua Bordoloi be appointed as legal aid counsel. Legal aid counsel to represent the key respondent, to represent the respondent number 2 and 3. Registry cell also call for the, no, already called for.
But not receivers.
Registry cell issue reminder for the learned court below for transmitting the record of session case number 85 of 2016. Or immediately. Liston.
Your lordship, lordship, as per the office note, the service report is awaited till 20th February 2024.
So you want to take prices there? Or we will have it service report.
Lordship, I have to take instruction from my senior learned counsel.
Why did you mention the matter?
Await for the
Office note dated 21 to 24 indicates that no, 20 is 2, 2024 indicates that service report in respect of respondent number 2 is awaited. Registry shall list the matter after.
On 22nd March.
Awaiting service report upon respondent number 2.
46.
None appears for the petitioner on call. List the matter after 1 week.
57.
Petition lordship. Service is awaited for respondent number 2 private action complaint lordship. And fixed for the and call for the scanned copy of the CR case lordship for consideration interim relief lordship.
Scan copy has not been received.
Not been received lordship. Lordship may kindly fix them there. Kamrup Metro Guwahati.
So registry shall list the matter on copy.
19th March.
Awaiting service report upon respondent number 2. Registry shall also issue reminder to the learned court below for transmitting the record. Scan copy of the record of CR case. CR within bracket NI case number 595 of 2021. From the Court of Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class. Number 5 Kamrup Metro Guwahati.
Highly applied.
48. 48.
None appears for the petitioner on call. List the matter after 1 week.
49.
My lord, I have filed a petition for vacating the stay order.
Here.
So that My learned friend wants to take.
Your Lordship, Senior Counsel Mr. G.N. Sahewala is on legs before court number 7 due to part heard matter. Your Lordship may kindly take up the matter next week.
Okay. What is your name?
Your Lordship, K. Sharma.
K.
K. Sharma.
Ms. K. Sharma, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. G.N. Sahewala, learned senior counsel. Price for listening the matter after a week. Here is allowed.
Your Lordship, interim may be continued.
Till then, interim order pass order shall continue.
Item 50.
None appears for the applicant on call is the matter after 1 week.
51.
Here, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I is for correction, my lord.
But what is the order? Have you enclosed the order with this IA?
Oh my God, I have
Then?
mentioned, but I have not attached, my lord.
Then,
My lord, I have stated.
where?